my stomach.
All right, Noah. Come on, Adrian. You boys ready? Thumbs up. What about you, Adrian? Thumbs up? Are you boys ready?
Yeah. There's nothing
I don't know if you guys noticed, but it looked like he knocked out for a little bit there. Let's ask him. Did you guys have fun? No, are you okay? Do you remember the whole ride?
No. I want to go on it again. I wish I was a penguin after this. That is so cute. Oh my god. You see? Look at the little one. Look at the little ones.
Look how big.
Oh, look at that. Hey, we took the one.
And speaking of strength, Seymour here has a lot of it. It is petrol flippers. Good job, Seymour. Now, sea lions can cruise about 11 miles an hour, but they can reach top speeds up to 25. Good job, Seymour. Now, Seymour and his friends are found off the western coast of North America. They can weigh in at a couple hundred to nearly 1,000 pounds. You gotta swim! Oh no, Gregory! Seymour, hurry! Get out of the water!
All right, boys, we're gonna watch the Orca show. Are you guys excited?
Yes, but Mom.
All right, we're in the splash zone, boys. You guys ready?
Is our oldest whale at 31 years old and take an active role in their own health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement training techniques, we are able to teach them husbandry.
Not only do we get a great view of their entire bodies, but we're also able to get close to the shallow veins on the underside of the whale's tail flukes. Killer whales have extremely sensitive skin, so this is just one of the ways we can build strong relationships with the whales.
To lift their heads and tails up. And this is how we know that as of last Tuesday, Takara is weighing in at 4,730 pounds. That's right, Takara. Pectoral flippers and their entire body. Sound travels 4.5 times faster in water than it does through air. So this makes their presence known for miles around. That I mentioned before, to lift all 4,730 pounds up and out of the water. Oh my gosh, we're so sorry. We had no idea that was gonna happen. Well, thankfully, Julie has a towel there for you to catch it nice and dry. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our volunteers a huge round of applause.
No hugs. No hugs. Thumbs up. Is ready for the Dolphin and Beluga show? Got your blankets? All right.
Locals for us today.
That was cool, right?
Yeah, that was so cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye.